Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Coolski 15-inch W commercial under-counter ice maker machine, a high-output, commercial-grade ice maker built for home bars, restaurants, and even outdoor setups. This machine is all about power and reliability. It can produce up to 130 pounds of ice per day, which puts it firmly in the commercial category. That kind of output is perfect for busy restaurants, cafés, bars, or large households that entertain often. Even during peak hours, you'll have a steady supply of ice without waiting for slow cycles. The 30-pound built-in storage bin ensures ice is always ready when you need it. Whether you're serving customers, hosting a party, or running an outdoor bar, the machine keeps up with demand efficiently. The ice quality is consistent and ideal for beverages that need rapid cooling with minimal dilution. One of the standout features is the auto-cleaning function. With just one touch, the system flushes itself, reducing mineral buildup and maintaining hygiene. This not only saves time but also extends the lifespan of the machine, which is crucial for long-term commercial or heavy residential use. The 15-inch slim width allows it to fit perfectly under standard counters. It supports both built-in and freestanding installation, giving you flexibility for kitchens, bars, garages, patios, or outdoor kitchens. The stainless steel construction adds durability, corrosion resistance, and a clean professional look that fits both modern homes and commercial environments. Designed for continuous operation, this Coolski ice maker delivers dependable performance day after day. If you're tired of countertop ice makers that can't keep up, this is a serious upgrade. If you want high-volume ice production with minimal maintenance, check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.